Hello everybody, it's Mindy and welcome to my channel. My channel is a place where I talk about diamond paintings. I unbox them, I show you what comes in the packages, I work on them, review them, all kinds of things. I also do crochet and yarn videos. Those are fun. I do a crochet live on Friday afternoons at 2 o'clock. And I also dabble in books, get books from time to time, and I do a book discussion on Tuesday nights at 6:30. If those things are of interest to you, I hope you stick around and join in the fun. Everybody who's returning, welcome back. Thank you so much. Today I have a diamond painting unboxing from Fansells. Fantastic Fansells finds. I don't even know what's in these boxes. Anyhow, let's get into it. Let's save the boxes and let's look at this painting right here first. All right, slide those to the left. Slide to the left. Here we go. All right, so every painting comes with a little toolkit such as this one. Okay, here's our drills, and here is our first painting. It is a 40 by 30. It is a hummingbird and flowers, as you can see. Clearly, you can see. It's a hummingbird and flowers. It's on a pretty basic, just white background. No pretty printing on it or anything, but I thought it was pretty, and you know me, I love hummingbirds. This one has 9 different drills. We can see there are some larger drills in the flowers. Pretty much all of these larger flowers have some bigger drills in them. Centers, petals, etc., etc. Let's look at the drills and see what we get. I'm certain they're going to be pretty. Okay. Here we go. Easier said than done. All right. Here are our rhinestones. We have a pink, or that's purple, then the pink, then a lime green. This is kind of like a brown and a blue. Those are all the rhinestones. Here's the special drills. Faceted blue marquee, pretty. Large gold balls. Then we have these pretty teardrops. They're kind of like a yellowy color. They're not really clear. They got the gold on the back. Oh, they're pretty. Those are unique. Okay, and then we have pink teardrops, faceted. Love those. Okay, that is what we get for our drills. Very pretty. I like it. I like it. I like it. Okay. You think I'd fold this right? No. There's a knack. There's a knack. If you get it, you get it. If you don't, you don't. All right. Let's look at the next one. This is a 30 by 40 as well. This one is the opposite orientation as that one. We had a landscape. Now we have a portrait. But look at how pretty that is. It is a big heart with flowers and a butterfly in the center. It's going to have a lot of special drills. There's 11 different colors here, but look at all of this. All of the 8s that go around here. 9s are making these loops. Some more 8s, 10s, 11s. Oh my goodness, there are a lot. Some large ones up here. This is going to be really, really pretty. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of special drills on this. Let's look at them and see what they are, because I think this one's going to be stunning. I hope your day is going well. I'm getting things done today. I have a couple more things I'd like to get accomplished today. Trying to check things off my list. All right, here's the rhinestones. Clear. This is like a champagne color, a pink, a yellow, a different shade of pink, and a different shade of yellow, and a bronzy brown kind of color. Very pretty. All right, now we have red faceted rounds with a flat top. We have a bunch of pearls, a lot of pearls. Here are some pink teardrops and some gold balls. So my guess is these are the 11s. They're larger, so like these spots. The 9s are the white, and the 8s are the red ones. So the red are going to go here, the white are going to, oh, pretty. Okay, very pretty. I like it. All right, what do you think? What do you think so far? Everything's looking pretty, isn't it? Remember, Smashing the Specials is in August. It is coming. It is right around the corner. Get yourself some Smashing the Specials things so you can join along with Brandy and I. What's in here? No idea. Oh, okay. Oh, it's another set of hooks. I did not realize I had another set of hooks coming. So these are hooks. They are sticky on both sides. One sticks on your wall, one sticks to your project. Okay, so there are 6 of those. Oh, yeah. These are pretty. We got sunflowers, folks. We got sunflowers. I wish I had sunflowers. I have no sunflowers growing in my garden. I might just go out there. I got so many bags of sunflowers left over, packages. I might just go out there and throw a bunch on the ground and see what happens. See if I can get some to grow. Look how pretty these are, though. They are one-sided, of course, because they are a hook. So your hook will attach to the back. No, attaches like this. There we go. It will attach like this to the back. So you'll put it like down low. So the hook has plenty of space here. So I don't know how I would do this one like that. That's how I would do it, but you decide where you want your hook, right? I do it like that. Anyhow, there's that one. Oh, this one's cute. Sunflowers in a little pail or a basket. Cute. Oh, a wreath of sunflowers. There is a film on the back of this. Take this off and that will be completely clear in there when you take that film off. Another group of sunflowers. Look at this one. It has a butterfly. That one's pretty, right? Oh, this one is a pail. I think that one's a basket and one's a pail. Pretty. So pretty. All right. I'm going to try to work on some of those for Smashing the Specials. And I might take them to my craft sale and just sell them individually even, right? Who says I have to sell them as a set? I could sell them for a couple bucks a piece. We'll see what happens. All right, here's our drills. We have bright green rhinestones. Those are pretty. Gold, a brown, a red or brown, blue, a gray. All right, those are the rhinestones. Gold, balls, green, iridescent faceted marquise. So pretty. Oh, we're getting a lot of these crystal-y things today. Crystal on the top and gold on the bottom. And then gold faceted marquise. Pretty. Everything you would kind of expect to see show up for sunflowers, right? Yeah, those are sunflower colors. Okay, we're just going to toss all this in the box and I'll put it all together later. Yeah, I'll put it all back together later. And we got one more package. One more. What's in this one? I don't know. I do not know. Sometimes it takes several weeks to get this stuff, and I order a lot of stuff, and I don't remember what I get until I open it. So it's like, it's a surprise all over again. Oh, this is, goodness. So sorry. This is all in a bag here. All right. Got to remember how I took it out so I can put it back in. Same way. So it'll fit back in the box. Okay, so it hangs. It has a chain. All right, ta-da-da, there's our little hanging chain. Here's another toolkit. Comes in a different kind of bag, but it is the same toolkit. Oh, yes, this is cute. I thought, and again, seriously? Okay, I did message one company already about these types of items coming broken. It is the little small pieces that are hanging off. I'm having the worst luck with these. This is either 3 or 4 that has broken. I really need to see, and I don't know if they're sending me replacements or what. They're just like, so sorry that happened. The last company was FG Normal, and they said they would contact their supplier and talk about better packaging. I don't know what's going to happen. And they're held here with such a small little piece of plastic. It's such a thin little piece of plastic that broke. I don't know if glue will work, if tape will work, if anything will hold this together. It's so unfortunate. The only thing holding it on is the cover plastic, you guys. No, it's the film on the back. It's barely on there. Goodness, how disappointing. They've got to work on packaging. That's all I can say. But he's adorable. This little cow is just adorable. And I'm sad he's broken. Wow. Okay. Well, let's look at the drills that come with him. And I'll let this company know as well that I've received a broken item. So, I mean, if you'll notice, my guess is that all of these things are coming basically from the same factory. They're all in the same box with the diamonds on them. So I'm assuming this is one manufacturer that's making these acrylic hanging pieces, and they really need to up their game on packaging. So I'll just keep letting people know. That's all I can do. Clear rhinestones, yellow, couple of greens, an orange, some black drills, pink, and blue. And here's our specials. Green faceted teardrops and these interesting, they're iridescent yellow faceted marquees. So that's what we have. It's super cute. I'm sad that it's broken, right? I'm sad that it's broken. So anyhow, I don't know. We'll try maybe some glue, maybe some tape. I don't know what we can do for the poor guy's little tail. And the other ones that were broken, it was like a leaf broke off. I think you can still enjoy that, and it's not going to look weird with just a missing leaf. But a cow without his tail, that's going to be quite noticeable. So we have the hooks, the sunflower hooks, and we have the two paintings. So there you have it, folks. That's what I have for you today. Let me know your thoughts. And thanks for watching. And I hope you come back and watch more videos. Please hit that like button. Subscribe if you're new here. I can always use new subscribers. We were going really good for a while. We were getting some steady increases, and now it's kind of like, All right, so recommend me to your friends. Okay, I appreciate it. And I will see everybody soon. And if I hear updates, I will certainly let you know what companies say about objects that are coming that are broken or, have some issue. So anyhow, thanks for watching, everybody, and I will talk to you really soon. Bye, everyone.